Welcome, students, parents, and staff. Today I'm going to show you how to access Classlink through your desktop application or web browser. The first thing you want to do is locate this icon that says FCS Launchpad. From here, you will click the icon, or to access it through our Fulton County Schools website, you would go to fultonschools.org and click here where it says Classlink. Upon clicking the application, you will be taken to the login page. From here, you will enter your student ID number and your birthday for your password in order to access Classlink and the menu of applications. Once you are logged in, a menu of applications will load as it relates to any content or digital learning resources your scholar will need to access. Our primary learning management system is Microsoft Teams. To access Microsoft Teams, you will scroll down to where you see Microsoft Office 365. Here, all Microsoft Office 365 applications will load that are readily available to our scholars for learning. We will be using Microsoft Teams to upload assignments, communicate with our scholars, and host live lesson sessions. From here, you will click on the application, Microsoft Teams, and another tab should open for you, loading the application. Once the application has opened, you will see your scholars' Microsoft Teams that they are enrolled in. I'm going to click on one of my classes to show you how this will look. You will click on that team. From here, you will see assignments, files, and meeting links for your scholar to join our live lessons. All of your scholars' classes will be loaded into Microsoft Teams, and they will be able to communicate with their teachers, access live lessons, as well as upload assignments here. Classlink also offers another menu of applications as it relates to your scholars' learning. We have applications such as our FCS apps, our Fine Arts Department, Flipgrid. iReady is also located in Classlink. Our SEL curriculum, Rethink Ed, will also be available through Classlink, and all of your scholars' digital learning resources. This is Fulton County's hub for universal remote learning, and all of our digital learning resources will be located in Classlink. Please email your scholar's teacher directly if you are having issues with logging in or accessing the applications.